to use the Bible to teach math skills, demonstrating word problem solving and place value concepts. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how we can use the Bible as a resource to teach math skills to children. Let's look at this Bible trivia question. We're going to use it as a word problem. Methuselah is the oldest person in the Bible. How long did he live? To find the answer, we can read the book of Genesis, the 5th chapter, 25th through the 26th verses. When Methuselah had lived 187 years, he became the father of Lamech. After he became the father of Lamech, Methuselah lived 782 years and had other sons and daughters. What order of operation can we use to solve the word problem? Will it be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? If you said addition, you are correct. We can use addition to solve this problem. Let's look at the word problem again. When Methuselah had lived 187 years, he became the father of Lamech. After he became the father of Lamech, Methuselah lived 782 years and had other sons and daughters. Using our addition strategy, we are combining 187 years to 782 more years. So when we combine the two, we have 7 plus 2 equals 9. 8 plus 8 equals 16. We write our 6 down and we carry the 1 to the hundredths place. 1 plus 1 plus 7 equals 9. Methuselah is the oldest person in the Bible. He lived to be 969 years old. Wow. Now let's look at how we can use the Bible to teach place value concepts. Let's look at our place value chart. Our 9 is in the ones place. Our 6 is in the tens place, and our 9 is in the hundreds place, 969. We can also write the number in standard form, 969. We can also write it in word form, 969. And we can also write it in expanded form, 900 plus 60 plus 9. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more educational videos, resources, and ideas.